Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is from a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This is a 3-button fob. So what we need to do is there's a little slot here. Stick a screwdriver in there and split these two halves. It's pretty simple. Get your screwdriver, put it in the slot and just twist. And these two halves will separate like that. And there's the battery in there. This is CR2032. I'll have a link in the description for these button batteries. Don't go cheap on these batteries, guys. Get good quality ones, either Energizer or a Duracell. Your battery, stick it in like that. Then line these two halves up and squeeze together. That's it. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit that like button. See you in the next video.